Located on the rich and fertile plains of West Bengal, the Jangipur Bengal Mega Food Park is one of the largest food parks of the country and would provide a one-stop solution for setting up food processing units in eastern India. The foundation stone for the park was laid by the then Finance Minister of India and the current Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee. Situated in the Murshidabad district, the Mega Food Park is in the heart of the rich fruit and vegetable producing region in eastern India, with ample availability of raw materials. It is also perfectly situated to cater to the local markets in the east and the northeast of India, as well as the markets of the neighboring countries of Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. The Mega Food Park is located on the National Highway 34 and is approximately 250 kilometers from the city of Kolkata and just about 45 kilometers from the district headquarters of Baharampur. It is well connected through railway and road networks as well as by air and sea. The international and domestic airports are located at Kolkata and Bagdogra respectively, and the two main nearest ports are located at Haldia and Kolkata. The park is designed on the hub and spoke model, which assures availability of raw materials for food processing through backward linkage. The model comprises a central processing center, which is supported by primary processing centers. The primary processing centers are located within a convenient distance from the central processing center, which is defined as the zone of influence. The central processing center at Jangipur is linked to the primary processing centers located at Gaur Road, Islampur, Katwa and Barashat. The model ensures that the central processing center remains in control of the flow of raw material supply from within the zone of influence, ensuring availability of cleaned, semi-processed materials in required quantity and quality. The Jangipur Bengal Mega Food Park is a massive complex that is currently spread across nearly 100 acres of land. To be developed in phases, the food park offers developed plots for large units, ready sheds with plug-and-play facility for small and medium enterprises, as well as standard design factories with plug-and-play facilities for small enterprises. As we enter the food park, crossing the imposing gate and following its well-paved and illuminated roads, we can see the first building of the complex, which is the admin building. The well-decorated admin building has all the modern and necessary facilities to provide an efficient administration of the manufacturing units of the park. The admin building provides ample area for office space, meeting rooms, conference room, bank, post office, etc. To the right are the row houses. The row houses of the Mega Food Park provide accommodation facilities for the senior personnel of the organizations and enterprises who are operating from the park. We now move towards the truck terminal and the weigh bridge. The truck terminal provides ample space for trucks, along with amenities for the drivers, and also has an electronic pitless weigh bridge close to it. Next on the way is the warehouse. The massive warehouse of the Mega Food Park has a height of 6 meters and has a total size of 8,000 square meters. 4,000 square meters is used for storage purposes and the remaining 4,000 square meters is used for pre-processing activities. We now enter the cold storage of the Mega Food Park. The massive cold storage of the project, which is divided into two parts, that is, potato and fruit and vegetable, uses state-of-the-art technology designed specifically with the prime objective of reduction of wastage. The fruit and vegetable cold storage along with the pre-cooling unit has a height of 7.5 meters and a total capacity of 5,000 metric tons with 10 chambers for storage. Each chamber comprises of 4 rows of heavy-duty storage racks with an aisle space of 3 meters for easy mobility. The materials are handled through battery and hydraulic operated machines. The deep freezer has a capacity of 3,000 metric tons and has 6 chambers for storage. The potato cold storage has a total capacity of 10,000 metric tons with 12 chambers for bulk storage and 1 chamber for bag storage. The chambers maintain a controlled atmosphere for better storage. Specialized equipment are used for loading and unloading of materials. As we move forward, to our right, we can see the Management Development Institute Murshidabad, which is an excellent source of skilled managerial workforce for the park. We now turn right towards the 33 by 11 kV substation that provides abundant and uninterrupted power supply to the park. Our next destination is the in-house effluent treatment plant and sewerage treatment plant or ETP-STP, which is 3 specific units: a rice mill effluents, industrial effluents and sewerage treatment. The ETP-STP will significantly reduce industrial wastage and will help in maintaining the environmental balance of the area. Moving forward, we can see the helipad of the park, which provides direct air connectivity for special and emergency communication needs. We can now see the industrial gala of the food park. The industrial gala comprises of smaller units, which are ideal for small and medium enterprises operating on plug-and-play mechanism. The G+1 structure will have a total of 12 distinct factory spaces with loading and unloading bay attached at either end of the gala building, along with goods lift facility. It also offers uninterrupted power and water supply as well as ETP-STP facilities. We now move towards the factory shed. The ready-to-use sheds operating on a plug-and-play mechanism offers a space of 1,500 square meters of floor space with a height of 7 meters and 300 square meters of mezzanine area as well as provision for additional space on all sides. Based on the requirement, the partition walls of the sheds can also be collapsed to extend their size further. Each of the sheds will also have separate unloading bay, uninterrupted power and water supply, sanitation facilities as well as ETP and STP facilities. The huge water reservoir, located towards the end of the food park, provides ample supply of treated water to the whole complex. We have now finally reached the area of the leasable land or plots. The mega food park provides developed plots which are of size 1 acre and above, on lease for setting up of large units for food processing. These plots have all the necessary infrastructural facilities for setting up of large plants. The internal roads, water supply along with electricity substation and effluent and sewerage treatment plants are completely ready and functional. Operations within the Jangipur Bengal Mega Food Park have already started with 2 functional rice mills. The Jangipur Bengal Mega Food Park is one of the most ambitious projects that has an enormous growth potential. With state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities that is at par with global standards, ample supply of raw materials, abundant natural resources as well as availability of a large reservoir of human resources at competitive costs. The future for the Jangipur Bengal Mega Food Park is surely dazzling bright. So come, join us and be a part of this mega venture.